Alright, today is Tuesday, and I'm home alone. Girlfriend's working. I got a flat tire in my van, so I'm stranded here. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, flat. So I'm going to try and drive it over to the garage on a flat tire. Hopefully I don't roll it off the rim. I'll jack it up and see if I can take air. Also, this is a cold start because I haven't had my van going for probably close to a week now, and it's colder than fuck outside, so this is kind of an old start, or a cold start, I guess, so see how she works. I'll give her a few pumps just for you pumping guys. Doesn't do anything because it's fuel injected, but there you go, you can like that. Anyways, let's try and start this fucking bitch up. Oh, my blinker's on. What the fuck size my blinker on? There we go. No problems. Must have a Ford motor. Couldn't be a Chev. Fucking garbage. Anyways, yeah, I don't think I'm going far. I'm stuck. Trying to rock it, but I can't get it. There's the tire. It's only flat on the bottom, so I think I'll be alright. Anyways, I had the hardest fucking time to get it in my driveway. Oh, I rocked it back and forth and back and forth. And that van is useless to begin with, let alone having a flat front tire. So as you can see, I spun the driveway all to hell. I was stuck there, everywhere. Isn't that right? Yeah, it's a piece of shit, it's a Chev. I gotta sell this fucking thing. If anyone wants to fucking buy an Astro van, there's one fucking for sale here. I need a 4-wheel drive. Anyways, I'm gonna try and pump this tire up. I'm gonna jack the van up and then pump it up so there's not so much weight on it. See if it'll take air. Now hopefully that'll take air. Not sounding good. Can't find the air gun, but I found some other tires, so I guess I'm going to do these manually. Let some weight off the jack, I guess. Just gonna let more weight off the jack. Hear the air hissing out? These tires are fucked. There's a wire sticking out of that there. Oh, here's the problem. I don't know if you can see, but if I get it in the light here. That's what I'm dealing with. So I think those tires are pretty well wore out. I'm not going to put them back on ever. I'll just burn them. Make a good fire. Keep me warm. These ones are on silver rims, but whatever. As long as they get me down the road. on there. 215s. Used to have 225s. She's sporty now. Take her for a drive so we can get anywhere. Watch this, it won't start now. That was weird. Anyways, let's try and take this for a drive now. Hey, we're moving. There's a car coming. And the driveway's nothing but a sheet of ice. I wonder if I can get out. Oh, yeah, I can get out. I forgot my phone and my wallet over to the garage. Alright, I guess that's the end of the video. Never rely on a Chevrolet because they're junk.